flavors are there, the creaminess, the spices you can taste it in, and I enjoyed it.
So I must admit, this is the first time I cooked Portuguese chicken.
This doesn't have enough salt for me.
When I was busy cooking already, I was so nervous because the time went so fast. But now, I'm calm, I'm good.
I hope it tastes nice.
Not hot. Looks good.
Pasta is cooked.
The judges are very pleased and want to say thank you for everybody that prepared. So I'm saying you did very well. The food was very nice. Thank you. It was difficult for us to see which one is the best, but well done to all of you.
It wasn't expected. We were just here for fun. Honestly, we enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. Thank you to the judges. We had an amazing time.